Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. Hello to you all. I'm making a new video. This is how I make my turmeric capsules. I got an order for some, so I'm going to make them right now. And I'm just going to show y'all the process, okay? Okay, to introduce y'all to my products, I have vegetarian capsules. These are 100% halal. Size 00. They can hold up to 750 milligrams, depending on how much product you put inside. And this is my capsule maker. This pushes down the powder, and the bottom goes here, the top goes in here, and this smooths the top out. And this is my powder, my turmeric powder mixed with black pepper. The reason why you need black pepper when you use turmeric, it's good for it helps 200% faster to absorb it into your system, and that's why the black pepper is needed. Also, it helps with vertigo. This is a good vitamin for vertigo. Some people notice changes immediately, or for a lot of other things that people use turmeric for, you need up to 3 months. So when I make my product, I make a 3-month supply. Some 1-month supplies of turmeric or curcumin. If you buy it through eBay, if you get it in a halal capsule, if you buy it on eBay, it could cost just for 1 month. And I advise people to use two capsules per day for the first 3 months, and whatever problems you have, you should see the difference. But your first month should cost you up to $30 just for 1 month supply. But I do 3-month supplies. I haven't put a price on this yet, but this is one of my benefits that I do have to add to my business. And I'm going to make this for a sister. I made it for a sister already. She had problems with vertigo. 2 people actually. And they no longer, it's almost like they don't have it anymore, because they don't have any problems at all. And people are younger and younger getting, there have been cases found in people in their 20s that get vertigo. So with that being said, I'm going to continue and make the capsules. I'm not going to actually show y'all the process, because it's other videos that show y'all how to do this. But I'll be back. And I used to put my capsules in my old containers that I get from the drugstore. But I decided, because I made my own label, I decided to order some big pill bottles from eBay. I should be getting them shortly, so I can make this look more professional. But it says here, homemade halal turmeric capsules, 750 milligrams, take 2 per day. And every time I sell these, it's going to be in 120 days. So it's going to be in it's going to be 180, because you take 2 a day for 90 days. So they'll have 90 pills. So I'll see y'all in a minute. It's going to take me a while. But I don't want this video to be too long because if I get permission, I might put it on my the pages that I'm joined into Facebook of Muslim sisters. So with that being said, I will see y'all shortly when I'm done. Okay, ready to stamp these out. So this is used as a stand so it won't press down. And then you just turn it over and put it here. That's the turmeric. Oh gosh. But that's the turmeric right there. And then you just put this on top. Press it down until you hear it crack and then join together. Pull this out. Some of them didn't come out. It's not a biggie, but what you do, or what I do, is just eject all the capsules in there. And by hand, I just join them together. And whatever didn't come out, I'll just start all over with those. If the capsules or the bottom is usually still intact, but I'll have to throw away the tops because sometimes the top gets dented. But that's it. And there you have it. I also make cayenne capsules, and that's popular for the heart. It stimulates growth everywhere in your body. For men, it's good for, good God, please don't laugh. But for men, for people who have problems with erectile dysfunction, it does the same thing as Viagra. It makes the blood run. When stimulated, it makes the blood run to that certain body part. And also, including the scalp. If you have alopecia, cayenne is also good for stimulation. Like if you put it in your hair grease or your hair oil, like some sisters tie their hair up and they keep their hair tied and they never get their hair enough room to breathe. So with that being said, you can when your edges pull out, or if you have alopecia, that helps. The cayenne pepper helps to stimulate the scalp for your hair to grow back in unfortunate instances like such as those. So since I just showed the simplest way how to do this, I'm just going to continue my process and I'll let y'all know when I'm finished. When I have 180 pills done, that's when y'all will hear from me again.